Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change or increase font size on your WhatsApp application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the settings on your phone and then you'll have to tap on accessibility. Now scroll down all the way until you'll be able to find an option of per app settings. You'll have to tap on it, and in this section you can modify the settings for an individual app, and we are going to change the font size of WhatsApp. So in order to do that, you'll have to tap on add app, then simply search for WhatsApp, then tap on it and tap on WhatsApp again, and the second option is larger text. You'll have to tap on it and you'll be able to find a slider on the bottom and you can change it according to your need. And after adjusting it, you can go back and it's now turned on and the font size is changed. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.